don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by the chairman of Gokuka Brand.
Yeah. Let me introduce myself.
Yeah.
Hustler 07.
Yeah.
Liyasikwa liyamila sinamuva phezu kwabo kubo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chairman.
Yeah, we bang. Yeah, yazi ngithini sibona.
Uthini njami?
Saleng massive. Massive. Izinto ezimassive le.
Yeah.
Mara ngoba ngiyazi le coach yami le.
Ukados.
Kusasa on Wednesday angabuya ngesinye scheme adlala ezinye izinto le. Kados, I don't understand Kados.
Yeah.
Maybe you must have one-on-one meeting no Kados because it doesn't understand coaching.
Sim understand.
Yeah. Those coaches ngathi banokuhlangana baphe drugs. It's like Kaizer Chiefs coaches.
Yeah.
Pirates coach.
Yeah.
Munapules Mufukeng. Massive umbeke benchi.
Yeah.
Lo lepo ukorrela Chiefs umbeke benchi.
Yeah.
No way to scheme see right as change.
Why?
Babem.
Yeah.
They're smoking.
Yeah.
And that thing that they're smoking is strong.
Inside.
We don't know. Mara, one thing I want to say, leadership. Bulelo waka bulelo. Waka bulelo angeke kamunashalo bulelo waka bulelo angeke kamunashalo bulelo waka bulelo waka That's what Tautami. Come Wednesday. Mamelodi Sundowns supporters, let's come in numbers. Please. On Wednesday, we're playing against Colin Arrows. Asizeni Kabuyel. Ariel.